So hello friends, welcome again. So in this video we will talk about the BankNifty or Nifty index option buying strategy Kalashnikov, the code video of which was uploaded last week. So we'll try to understand the strategy first in this video, and in next video we will try to understand the code. Why did I code like that in the Tradetron? So please first read the disclaimer. So these are the strategy parameters, the logic of the strategy. This is logic which is given to me by a group member who has requested this strategy. It is not necessary that you should also follow this in same way as he has followed or he has told. You can modify the parameters like moving average. He has suggested to use RSI 7. You can change the parameters to RSI 9, 14, 13, 10, anything. He has suggested to use SMA 10, 20, 50. You can try to use exponential moving average or any other type of moving average or anything like that. So this is just an example that how to code these type of strategies in Tradetron. So don't go exactly on the parameters shared by a member. These are the parameters which he thinks that are best to use with index option buying, but it may be possible that you don't like to use these parameters and you want to use exponential moving average, or instead of RSI you want to use MACD or any other indicator, super trend, Bollinger Bands. So just take this as example and modify the strategy as per your need. Change the stop loss, change the target. He has suggested to buy at the money options. You can try to modify like buying in the money options or applying any strategy, directional option strategies. So in short, this is not exact strategies. These are the ways to how to code this in Tradetron, and these are just idea. So you should modify these ideas according to your need and your psychology. So understand this first. So let's go to these parameters one by one. So candle period is 5 minutes. So as you can see, I have selected 5 minute candle period here, and chart is spot price. So I have selected BankNifty spot chart. Then this is in which option he want to trade. Then indicators are RSI 7, SMA 10, 20 and 50. So that also I have added. So this is SMA 10, the bold one, and another two are SMA 20 and SMA 50. You can see here also, and here I have added RSI 7, and he wants to add levels as 60 and 40 of RSI. So I have marked those. So in between this dark background is in between area of 60 and 40. Above is above 60 and below is below 40, as you can see here. So another thing is 4 trades maximum per day, which is very important with option buying. So to avoid over trading, he has suggested to trade 4 trades maximum per day, and the way I have coded this strategy in the Tradetron is like 2 trades maximum per call side and 2 trades maximum per put side. You can code accordingly also. If you get 4 trades in call side also, or all the 4 trades in put side also, then you can trade accordingly. I have coded as 2 trades maximum per call side and 2 trades maximum per put side. After that, if there is development of any trade according to this strategy in call side also, so third onwards any trade won't be taken. If you want to take, you can code accordingly. So when to buy call option? So whenever RSI 70 close above 60, okay, and any green candle close above SMA 50, 20 and SMA 10. So all the moving averages should be below close of the candle, and RSI should be above 60. So it is basic. And then whichever candle has broken all the SMAs, so one should mark its high, and after its high breaks we should enter the trade. So to understand this better, see here, this candle close is below all the moving averages. This candle close. Also RSI 7 is below 40. So one should mark low of this candle, and whenever any candle breaks this low, we should sell here. And if you are buying options, we should buy at the money put option as per the strategy. In same way, if any candle close above all the moving averages, all three moving averages, and RSI also above 60, then we should buy above that candle high. So you can buy at the money call option, or similar way you should think about buying side only. If you want to deploy any option buying strategies like directional iron condor or any other directional strategies, or directly want to buy future, anything, you can try everything. Another thing is buy even number of lots. So minimum lots to be bought are 2. So you have to buy 2 lots or 4 lots or 6 lots, because we are booking partial target also. Like whenever we reach at a risk reward ratio of 1:1 to stop loss level, we are booking 1 lot, and after that we are trailing another lot. So he has suggested to buy even number of lots. Another thing is where to put SL. So SL to be put at previous candle low of entry candle. So he has also mentioned here with example that if buy candle low price is this and the previous candle low price is this, so SL should be put below this level. So let's check also this in chart. So suppose this is your buy candle, so SL should be put below buy candle previous candle low. Suppose this is your buy candle, so SL should not be put below this candle low but below this candle low. Okay, in my code what I have used here is to find lowest low value of these 2 candles, this entry candle and previous to entry candle, and whichever low is lowest from these 2, we are putting our stop loss below that. So I have coded like that in Tradetron. You can as always modify as per your need or requirement. Even you can put SL at the entry candle low also if you want to, and so something like that. Actually I have also coded the condition that whichever candle has crossed the RSI 60, we should put our stop loss below previous to previous candle low. So lowest low of this candle. So suppose this candle has crossed the RSI above 60, so we are putting our stop loss below lowest low of these 2 candles. So our SL should be this, and our target booking will be 1:1. So whichever point difference is there, suppose it's 50 points difference, so if market reaches more 50 points from our entry price, we are booking 1 lot and we are trailing another lot with 10 SMA. So according to the strategy, you should put your stop loss below previous candle of entry candle low, while I have used whichever candle has crossed RSI above 60. So whenever any candle low breaks lowest low value of these 2 candles, the candle which has crossed above RSI and the candle previous to this candle. Similarly at selling side, suppose here we have crossed below RSI 40 and this candle has crossed, so I am checking highest low of both these candle and I am putting SL at that level. You can experiment with same candle low as SL, but I think chances are more in this type of aggressive stop loss putting to be hit, and you might see frequent SL hitting in that way. So let's check some examples. By the way, this document is already shared on the group under this shared code thread, so you can check that. Yes, so this is same things which I have told, when to book 1 lot and how to trail. So trailing should be below SMA 10, and whenever 1 lot target booking done, move SL of another lot cost to cost. So same way for put side, RSI close below 40 and red candle close below 10, 20 and 50 SMA. No new trades after 2:45 PM and exit all the trades at 3 PM. So I hope strategy is clear in your mind. So let's check some examples. So as you can see, we have deployed this in the Tradetron. So let's check example of yesterday's only. So first entry at 9:45 am, we have bought 4 lots of put because the strategy is running at 2x multiplier, so it has bought 4 lots. So let's see whether at 9:45 the conditions were met or not. So this is 16 December. As you can see on this candle, close has crossed below all the moving averages, while RSI is also below 40 level. So after completing of this 9:40 candle, as soon as at 9:45 we broke the low of this candle, we have entered the put trade. So here is our entry price, and as I said, the candle which crossed below RSI, we mark lowest low of highs. So between these two highs, whichever is highest, so this is highest high, we can say this is our SL, and we should book our target at 1:1 ratio somewhere here. No, actually this is entry price, so 1 would be somewhere here. Let me check exactly. So this is our SL, this is entry price, and 1 is somewhere at this level at 10:20 or 10:25 level. So let's see exactly. We have booked our first lot at 10:22. So our entry price was 274, and our exit first lot exit is at 403, and after that our second lot has exited at 11:05. So I think we must have closed above the SMA 10. So let's check that on chart. So somewhere here we have exited our first lot at this candle at 1:1 ratio, and our second lot has been exited at here 11:05, as we have closed above SMA 10. You can see. So this candle has closed above SMA 10. So we have exited our second lot here, and as soon as we have exited, you can see some rally which would have reduced our profits. Then again our conditions met at so here RSI is crossed, but price is not above all the 3 moving averages. So here buy side not triggered. Here might be the case of condition fulfilling. Let's check this. So second trade at 12:05. So yes, here. So here is the entry at 12:05. Here should be our SL, and here SL got hit. We might have exited at this level only when crossed above the SMA 10. So here might be our exit. Let's see. So yes, at 12:15 we have exited, and as soon as our SMA leg got hit, as we are below our entry price, so we have mentioned that if one lot exited, then exit another lot also at cost to cost or below cost to cost. So another lot also exited at same price. So if we would have waited for this SL level to get hit, the stop loss would be even more. So this shows important that how using trailing stop loss in your strategy improves a lot performance of the strategy. So then our third entry got triggered on buying side at 12:40 at here. After breaking the high of this candle, SL would be at here, and SL got hit at one lot booked here and another cost to cost booked here at 110 and 105. So let's see, at 105 one lot got booked here. After entry level is this 43349, exit level is around this. So entry at 299, first lot exited at 316, and after that our SL got moved cost to cost and it got hit at 110. So around this level, as price raised, move below SMA 10. I think after that also we got trade at 210. Let's see, at 210. See, this candle has crossed above all the 3 moving averages, has crossed the RSI 60 level also. So we got entry at here, and I think in this also we booked loss. Okay, 225 and 225. Yeah, so this was our stop loss which got hit here. So entry, so lowest low value of these two, so this is our SL and which got hit here. You know, at same time the SMA condition also fulfilled. We closed below this SMA 10. So in this way you can modify the condition. One thing I wanted to suggest all of you, that use ATR indicator also to avoid trades at this type of candles, big candles. So as you can see, let me put ATR indicator here. So I put ATR here. Let me change the settings a little bit so that you can see it properly. It's length 14. You can play around with that also. So as you can see, the ATR at this time was 60 and 62, so around 60, and let's measure the length of this candle, which is 143. So at this time ATR was around 60, somewhere 60, and the length of this candle was 143 points, so more than ATR into 2. So if you want to avoid this type of trades, you can use the condition also that if the candle length is greater than ATR into 2, ATR setting 40, then avoid trading that candles. So the candle length should be below ATR into 2. So this type of modifications you can try. So this is also a suggestion only, so think yourself and then decide what you want to do with this strategy. Let's take few more examples. This was trades of yesterday. As you can see, we have hit quite a few stop losses also. So let's take one stop loss day. So this is the stop loss day, I think. It's of 13th December. So first trade would be at 9:23, 13th December. Let me check that. Okay, so here the trade got triggered. This is our candle which crossed above RSI 78 above 60 level, and at 9:23 our trade got triggered call side, and I think stop loss would have got hit at 10:15. One lot booked, and okay, same way another lot also got booked because we have moved our SL below cost to cost. So at 10:15, so maybe here as candle closed below SMA, we have booked our one lot as 1 target booking. So here is another thing which I wanted to tell you people. You should, if you are using ATR condition, measure that from your stop loss level. As per our parameters in Tradetron, our stop loss would be at here, so which is very, very unfavorable risk to reward, as we are putting SL at lowest low value at the candle which has crossed above RSI. So this candle has crossed above RSI 60. So this candle and previous to that candle, so this candle, so lowest low value of this would be our SL. So you should consider this condition if you want to avoid such type of entries, that ATR should be the high of this entry candle, and our SL level, the lowest low value of that 2, should be below ATR into 2 or ATR into 3, something like that. So you can try that also, that if this type of SLs are there, avoid such trades. This also I wanted to tell you guys. So you should wait for another incident like this, which is proper, that SL is here, then you can expect one target or two target bookings. So this I wanted to tell you guys, that you can use this condition, ATR condition, to avoid such type of big candle entries. So here our SL got hit. Let's see another entry we got after 5 minutes of exiting fully at 10:20. So let's check that. Okay, at 10:20 here. So RSI cross level was that. So because of that we entered here again, and I think again we got stopped out as we closed below SMA 10 at 10:40. Somewhere here is this 10:35 candle closed below SMA 10. We again stopped out. So you can try to trade as much as possible in this type of scenarios, option buying scenarios. So as I have told you, our 2 call side conditions have been done. So even if we get another trades, we won't take any trade on call side, on buying side. So let's see if we have got any put side trade on that day, which we ultimately got and got stopped out also on that. So at 140, so somewhere, yes, okay, yeah, here we got entry here because we crossed below RSI 40. So our entry got triggered here, and I think this candle would have taken our stop losses. So as 151 and 154, yeah. So here our 1:1 target is also achieved at this candle, and after that we got stopped out here. Again 215 we got entry here on this candle because again we crossed below RSI, as you can see here at this candle. This would be our stop loss. This is our entry point at 215, and I think at 230, yeah, at 235 we got stopped out because this 230 candle closed above SMA 10. So I guess in short you got the idea about how this strategy works. Try to test this with exponential moving average 10 also, or any other kind of moving averages also if you want to. If you want to just take these 2 moving averages like 20 and 50, then frequency of SL hitting and target hitting would be more, I guess. So test this also. Test this with Heikinase candles also. If it's working with Heikinase, with more frequency or more superiority than original strategy. So I guess this is it. If you have any doubts, you can always tell me on the Telegram. I will try to solve that, and in next video we will see the code explanation of this strategy. So thank you guys, see you in next video.